A total solar eclipse will take place on April 8, 2024, visible across North America and Central America. A solar eclipse occurs when the Moon passes between Earth and the Sun, thereby totally or partly obscuring the image of the Sun for a viewer on Earth. A total solar eclipse occurs when the Moon's apparent diameter is larger than the Sun's, blocking all direct sunlight, turning day into darkness. Totality occurs in a narrow path across Earth's surface, with the partial solar eclipse visible over a surrounding region thousands of kilometers wide. With a magnitude of 1.0566, its longest duration of totality will be of 4 minutes and 28 seconds near the town of Nazas, Durango, Mexico, and the nearby city of Torreon, Coahuila. Visibility. Totality will be visible in a narrow strip of land in North America, beginning at the Pacific coast, then crossing northern Mexico through the states of Sinaloa, Durango and Coahuila in the United States, through the states of Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, New York, and Vermont, and finally the southern parts of the provinces Ontario, Quebec and New Brunswick, western Prince Edward Island, and the island of Newfoundland in eastern Canada. Then, it will vanish at the eastern Atlantic coast of Newfoundland. It will be the second total eclipse visible from the central United States in just 7 years, coming after the August 21, 2017 eclipse. In Canada, the path of totality will pass over parts of southern Ontario, parts of southern Quebec, central New Brunswick, western Prince Edward Island and central Newfoundland Island. Note that some of these cities listed lie on an edge of the path of totality, such as Hamilton and Montreal. Toronto and Moncton, New Brunswick, lie just north and south of the path of totality, respectively. Related eclipses. This eclipse will be the first total solar eclipse to be visible in Mexico since the solar eclipse of July 11, 1991. The path of this eclipse crosses the path of the prior total solar eclipse of August 21, 2017, with the intersection of the two paths being in southern Illinois in Makanda just south of Carbondale. A small land area, including the cities of Carbondale, Cape Girardeau, Missouri, and Paducah, Kentucky, will thus experience two total solar eclipses within a span of fewer than 7 years. Each member in a semester series of solar eclipses repeats approximately every 177 days and 4 hours at alternating nodes of the Moon's orbit. It is a part of Saros Series 139, repeating every 18 years, 11 days, containing 71 events. The series started with partial solar eclipse on May 17, 1501. It contains hybrid eclipses on August 11, 1627 through December 9, 1825 and total eclipses from December 21, 1843 through March 26, 2601. The series ends at member 71 as a partial eclipse on July 3, 2763. Members in the same column are 1 exolimos apart and thus occur in the same geographic area. The solar eclipse of June 13, 2132 will be the longest total solar eclipse since July 11, 1991 at 6 minutes 55 seconds. The longest duration of totality will be produced by member 39 at 7 minutes 29 seconds on July 16, 2186. This is the longest solar eclipse computed between 4000 BC and 6000 AD. Tritos series. This eclipse is a part of a Tritos cycle, repeating at alternating nodes every 135 synodic months. Their appearance and longitude are irregular due to a lack of synchronization with the anomalistic month, but groupings of 3 Tritos cycles come close, so eclipses are similar in these groupings. Metonic series. The Metonic series repeats eclipses every 19 years, lasting about 5 cycles. Eclipses occur in nearly the same calendar date. In addition, the Octon subseries repeats 1/5 of that, or every 3.8 years.